Hey everybody, right here, this man right here is a NASA astronaut, which back on this date in 1962, February the 20th, which today, back in 1962, which is 57 years ago, John Glenn was the first American to orbit the Earth, but the second American to outer space. The first American was Alan Shepard. And he's actually the third person into space. The first person was a Soviet cosmonaut, Yuri Gagarin. He was actually the very first person in outer space, but this is the third one. And he done 3 orbits around Earth and landed back in the Atlantic Ocean. And the name of the spaceship was, they called it Friendship 7. And he was part of the Mercury program that's studying the effects on the human body for America's space agency, NASA. So, yep, back in February the 20th, 1962, first American to orbit the Earth. He done it 3 times and then splashed back down in the ocean. And it took about an hour and 20 minutes to pencil him in. And I tell you what, that astronaut helmet, whoo! That's real technical for me. I really ain't never tried anything like that, but it come out all right, I reckon. Anyway, thank you for watching, and y'all have a good day. All right, let's pray. Bye.